talk about on paper, they're talented, no doubt about it. It was a huge win for the Mets, though, and how they did it. You know, Bart's usually been consistent, gave up the goods, and the Mets kept coming back, got that win. But I think this is going to go all the way down to the end.
If the New York Mets starting rotation can stay healthy, I think there's a question marks, as we talked about with the bone spurs. This will go down to the wire. If Matz or Syndergaard go down, you're out there.
Yeah, not sure when it's going to start, but in the meantime, Tony Luckman has you covered with Strike Zone. It's commercial-free, fast-paced, and he's got all the updates from around baseball. Enjoy.
Wow, awesome. This is my dream car.
Yeah, I like it.
To Strike Zone, where we'll be taking you all around the league, and you'll see the very exciting goings-on in the major leagues on this busy Friday night. 13 of the 15 games on tap will be starting in the next 90 minutes. So what is Strike Zone all about? Well, it's about taking you around quickly for live look-ins from every game in progress, a home run tracker throughout the night, and this Strike Zone presented by Nike comes to you every Tuesday and Friday night. Let's take a look at Citi Field in Queens, where the tarp is down. Unfortunately, Citi Field hoping to see action between the two teams at the top of the NL East, awaiting a great pitching matchup. The undefeated Steven Strasburg against Noah Syndergaard. Strasburg was throwing no-hit ball in his last outing. Syndergaard and the Mets against the Nationals in a exciting game last night. It featured a new Citi Field record. There figures to be offense on this night if Mother Nature cooperates. It was a warm, muggy day in New York City, and with the tarp down, you can see that we are waiting for good weather. Meanwhile, we are able to look up north in Toronto. We're getting active, getting ready to throw the with a record 5-4 ERA. The Jays during this 6-game tear outplayed opponents 49-18. A plus 31 run differential. Impressive offense. Josh Donaldson, he's seen that. Offense in 435. The storylines for this one, that season best 6-game winning streak in the middle. Michael Saunders, the All-Star, down below. Getting in on the Esurance Fan